I'm here today with Dr. Nazish Jaffrey, CEO and Chief Clinician with Secure Dental. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
I want to talk about all-on-X implants. Now, who's a good candidate for that, and what factors do we consider?
Well, anyone who has been missing teeth for a very long period of time, and they've been going to dentists and trying to get their chipped teeth fixed again and again, or they have loose dentures, or those dentures are hurting and they have been putting a lot of glue in there and still not working out. People who have missing teeth and their chewing is totally off, those are people who are really good candidates for this kind of service.
Okay, obviously it's an involved process. Can I walk out the same day with teeth, or how long does it take?
Absolutely. The way we have the digital technology right now in our offices, we can actually pre-plan everything, a very intense diagnostic procedure we do, and we can do all these teeth designing according to the gums that you have, the health issues, whatever we consider all that, and we take all that and make the teeth ready already. So the day of, the patient actually walks out with teeth, which is very gratifying for them, because this is what they were looking for.
Yeah, that's amazing technology. For more information, scan that QR code right there on your screen or head to foster.securedental.info. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you.